Hi everyone, we are here today to pitch a digital idea aimed at disrupting the field of early childhood development. Children cultivate 85% of their internet personality and skills by age 5. Unfortunately, the World Economic Forum has found that the future skills children need are not addressed in school curriculums. Parents want to give their kids the best, but they are untrained, and often both parents are working, giving them limited time. Expert information is trusted but scattered online and time consuming to find. Brands are experts within their product areas, but the information they provide can be skewed towards an agenda to push their own products. Advice from online and offline communities are not moderated, leading sometimes to trial and error on what works. Today we have a solution, Kids Bytes, an app that caters to next generation parenting and child development. This nano learning platform will host a collection of bite sized videos, articles with input from experts and parenting tips. Here, we'll identify teachable opportunities in everyday moments and make it easy for parents to transform their child's daily routine and interactions into fun learning experiences. Learning can now take place anytime and anywhere through mobile devices. This is the competitive landscape in Singapore where this app will be launched. Workshops and classes enable some social and emotional learning, but it's momentary and contained within the classrooms. While forums create a sense of community for young parents, they can't replace expert information, and threads go off topic, making information hard to find. Current apps in the market are mostly just an extension to their websites. Our solution aims to address these existing challenges and more innovatively and on a single platform.
So, what will be our unique proposition? We want to make every parent the first educator of their kids and support them in raising a generation of future ready children. We'll do this through quality curated content available anytime, anywhere through a mobile first approach, allowing parents and children to learn at their own pace in their own environment. This results in a solution that integrates academic, social, and emotional learning into engaging moments, allowing parents to develop their children through everyday interactions.
Our mobile first approach will be a key differentiator, setting us apart from the existing competitive landscape. Let's review some premium location based activities. At an exhibition, kids can scan the QR code next to a display and details on the work will appear on the application. At a restaurant, the child will be able to learn through an AR game within the environment they are in, such as learning the colors or naming objects around them. Activities in these locations will be real time. For example, if the food will deliver in an average of 10 minutes, content will be provided to occupy the child for those 10 minutes. The target audience of this product will be parents and young children between the ages of 0 to 5 years of age. During the startup phase, we will focus on tech-savvy parents between the ages of 20 to 35 with a tertiary education who are more likely to be involved in the early childhood development of their child. And kids, especially the older ones, who will start to interact with the app directly, will have to be engaged by the app for the parents to stay subscribed to it. Post-startup, we will widen our audience. The objectives for social engagement, a key aspect of our strategy, is to engage and retain existing users, create brand awareness among non-users, and generate leads, app downloads, and sign-ups for paid subscription. Radally, a social listening tool which monitors multiple social platforms, will be used to identify content that customers are actually looking for. Identifying the optimal time to send out a post to capture busy parents will be critical. Hootsuite will then be used to schedule posts and distribute content across social platforms. KidsBytes will use these channels to reach our target audience. Communities will be built through Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter using viral content, influencers, and engaging with the community. Paid ads will also be purchased on Facebook and YouTube, targeted at Singapore during the startup stage. Snapchat and Spotify will be used to promote us through curated child-friendly filters and playlists. Parents will also be encouraged to share pictures and playlists on their own social media accounts linking to us. KidsBytes' revenue model will be based on advertising and subscription fees. Advertising will cover paid ads and native advertising. A free basic version of the app, which is articles and videos, will be available to encourage downloads, while paid users will have access to the full app and all premium features. The business costs center around app development, digital marketing, with some offline advertising during startup. Operating costs here include staffing, rental, and overheads. These are the key metrics that will guide our activities during the startup phase. They will focus on app development and the monitoring of performance, analysis of user demographics and user engagement for better understanding of our users and targeting for our marketing activities, and business metrics to ensure we're on the right path. These metrics will evolve post the startup phase as we turn to focus on profitability and the growth of the product. Now the future. After successful launch in Singapore, KidsBytes will expand into key cities from Southeast Asia to the APAC region. We will introduce content covering older children, allowing us to keep current users and capture new ones. Offline events will enable users to interact with one another, along with revenue potential for us through advertising partners. And the knowledge we have of trends, what parents are looking for, and their needs puts us in the position to provide expert consulting services to partners within the early childhood development space. That's the end of our presentation. We look forward to receiving your feedback on our pitch. Thank you very much for your time.